What's up, everybody? So this is a special video because I'm a special person. So on the show how to install, well, not show, but I installed a third battery in this truck. For those of you that don't know, these trucks came with two batteries. If you got a diesel, Power Stroke, or IDI, one here, and they put the other one over here. This truck has ultra low compression and starts for garbage, runs like shit, smokes a ton, has tons of blow by, and two batteries just can't get it going. I have another engine I'm putting together now in my garage, but I need the truck for right now. So my earlier video, I did a glow plug controller and relay. I have glow plugs I got to put in here. A few of them are burned out, so I need some extra power to crank over. So what I ended up doing is I was going to put the third battery here where there's tons of space up here and this real short wires and be done. Started making the bracket and made it way too big, and then I was like, well, we'll put it underneath the truck. So this is one of the ways you can do a third battery. So I used everything I had at home to make this and fabricate it. So I took some channel iron and stuff and just basically made a bracket, a battery tray, and then drilled holes in it and bolted to the frame. And then this is my battery hold down because, well, it was free and I had it at home, so it's just my ratchet strap that I tied on there so it's nice and secure. It don't go nowhere, it's solid. And then for the ground, I have a ground wire to there. That's 2-gauge wire. And then, or 0/2 is what it said. I bought that from the store because it was just faster. This one here is 0/3 gauge wire. And then I put it in some sheathing, rubber hose. And then I nicely secured it all the way, and then up to the truck there, so it can't rub, because if that rubs, it's going to short out and start a fire. So my third battery is down here. I chose this place versus anywhere else because the driver's side, not enough space because of the parking brake cable. And then any further back, I don't have to run any more wire. It's already long enough as it is. You could run it back further if you wanted to. I just chose not to. I wanted to just originally make this bracket here and then a small angle across to bolt to the battery tray up top. But I made it too big. And then what I did is I ran to a battery look like this, where it's got the wing nut. So this one here goes onto the starter, third battery. This goes to the solenoid, second battery, and then to the top battery, obviously. Now I have not tried to start this since I did this. I recharged the two top batteries, so we're gonna fire it up and see how she runs or starts, then pull it out. So I curious to know how this will work. Let's see. Yeah, see, the glow plug light stays on for a couple of seconds, but cranks over real fast. Well, she fired up. Definitely has more cranking power than it did before. Okay. Gotta say, not too shabby. Bolts are still really good, so back this thing up down over this way here. Okay. There. We'll do that. Gotta still fix the stupid door latch is broken. Gotta fix that yet, but yeah, so that's how I did my third battery. Now, if you're wondering about the alternator, as far as can the stock alternator charge 3 batteries, yes it can. The stock alternator is like 140 amp, and these trucks being a manual, I mean, even running all your accessories and stuff like that, you're still not using that much voltage. So originally in startup is when you use the most amps out of your batteries. So, you know, 140 amp alternator, when you run it a little bit, about 5-10 minutes, it'll charge the batteries back up to normal. The third battery is not going to be a big deal to have. I'm going to be running a 300 amp alternator in here because I plan to put a bunch of other accessories on this eventually. But if you're just doing a 3 like I am the way it is now, the stock alternator is just fine for it. My limousine I used to have had 2 batteries with just one single 135 amp alternator. It was fine. So eventually I might run a 4th battery up there. I don't know. We'll see if I get ambitious or not. But alright, I'll talk to you guys later.